So hello everyone. Today we are here to learn how to install Anaconda navigation in Windows operating system. So let's begin it. So before installing, I would like to help you out. What is Anaconda is? Basically, uh, Anaconda software by which you can do a machine learning or data science related project. So basically inside this Anaconda, you will be seeing basically two IDs. First one, namely Jupyter, and second one is Spyder. So basically, both of these IDs are used for machine learning related projects. So we will now going to install Anaconda ID, but you need to first download it. So for download it, go to your favorite browser and simply type Anaconda download. So now in search result, you will see Anaconda distribution. So click on first link. Basically, a new website will be open of anaconda.com. Here you need to scroll down. Here you will see Anaconda installer. Basically, Anaconda installer provide their application in for three operating system. First one for Windows, second one for Mac OS, third one for Linux. So depending on which operating system you are using, download it. So according to me, I having Windows operating system of Windows 11. So I will be going to download 64-bit graphical installer. So let's click on it. Basically not downloaded. Wait a minute. Huh. So I will download it on my desktop and save it. You will see that downloading is yet started. So you can see that it is successfully downloaded in my desktop folder. So I will just click on it. So basically you can see that Anaconda setup is appeared on my desktop. Now click on next. Uh, Click on I agree. So just click on next. Here you will see that this one is the path where your Anaconda application is going to be downloaded. So either you can change it, but I not need to be change it. So I will click on next. Click on add Anaconda to my path variable. Click on install. So here you can see the installation part is started. Either you can see details also which libraries are going to be downloading in your Anaconda. So as you can see that installation is successfully completed and setup is also successfully downloaded in my laptop. So click on just next and next and finish it. Here you will see, and now click on your Windows and search here Anaconda. Here you can see the Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda by default C is installed in your laptop. Just click on it and it will take a couple of seconds to open. And here go. So our Anaconda is installing and adding features in my channels and loading user, loading my applications. And here you can see our Anaconda Navigator successfully opened. Here you can see command exprompt, Jupyter library, Jupyter lab, Jupyter notebook, prompt shell, console, Spyder, VS code, data lore, and many more are by default downloaded. So here you can see that basically Jupyter lab and Spyder. So here you can see Jupyter notebook. We will launch it and it will be take couple of seconds for open. New one. So here we will write hello world and let's run it. Here you can see directly we will get output of hello world. Let's try Python and here we will get Spyder 5.2.2 version Basically, Spyder and Jupyter Lab are basically used for data science learning or related projects work. It will again take a couple of seconds to open Spyder. So as you can see, my previous one is already there. So I will go for new file. Okay, now directly we will print it. Print hello. Go and here we go. Let have our text is written. So basically, you can go for it and so at last you have learned that how to install Anaconda Navigator. Now explore the libraries which given by the Anaconda Navigator and learn more as much you can. And my next video will be on Spyder or Jupyter Labs or Jupyter Notebook. So stay tuned and thank you so much.